Class 9th. Today we are going to start on with the third chapter, that is coordinate geometry. René Descartes, a French mathematician, initiated this theory. This theory helps us to locate the position of a point in a plane. For this we require to draw two mutually perpendicular lines, horizontal and vertical lines. These two mutually perpendicular lines are called as axes. Horizontal line XOX dash is called x-axis. Vertical line YOY dash is called y-axis. OX is the positive x-axis. OX dash is the negative x-axis. OY is the positive y-axis. OY dash is the negative y-axis. The point of intersection of these axes is called the origin O. This plane is known as Cartesian plane or coordinate plane or XY plane. These two axes divide this XY plane into four parts, each called as quadrant. We name them anti-clockwise as XOY is the first quadrant, X dash OY is the second quadrant, X dash OY dash is the third quadrant, XOY dash is the fourth quadrant. The x coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from the y-axis. The x coordinate is called the abscissa. The y coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from the x-axis. The y coordinate is called the ordinate. Any point in the coordinate plane is written in the form p x comma y, that is in the form of an ordered pair where the point is notated always by a capital letter. Here always the abscissa comes first and ordinate, that means the y coordinate, comes second. Now suppose if we wish to plot A 3, 2. Here my abscissa is 3 units, ordinate is 2 units. So I make my XY plane. Now as my abscissa is 3 units, I move 3 units on the x-axis. Now my ordinate is 2. So I climb up 2 units as it is positive. So I go upwards. So when I climb 2 units, I reach this point. So this point P represents 3, 2. Now the perpendicular from this point on the x-axis is 2 units, that is the ordinate, and the perpendicular from here on the y-axis is 3 units. So therefore the coordinates of this point P becomes 3, 2. Now suppose we wish to plot point B 2, -2, 4. Point Q -2, 4. Now since my abscissa is -2, that means I have to move on negative x-axis 2 units and my ordinate is 4, so I need to move 4 units on the positive y-axis. So here I start from my origin and I first take 2 units on the negative x-axis and then I move 4 units upwards and I reach my point Q, which is notated as by -2, 4. Now if we plot, we plot R -3, 3 and S 4, -2 on XY plane. Now I wish to locate R. Its coordinates are -3, -3. Since my abscissa is negative, so I first move 3 units on the negative x-axis and my ordinate is also negative, so I move down 3 units and I reach this point R whose coordinates are -3, -3. Now I plot my point S whose coordinates are 4, -2. Now since my abscissa is positive, so I move on the positive x-axis 4 units and my ordinate is negative. So I move 2 units downwards. So I reach my point S 4 comma minus 2. The coordinates of the origin are O, that means 0 0, because I need why is it 0 0? Because for reaching this origin I do not need to move any units on the x-axis or on the y-axis. Hence the coordinates of the origin are given by 0 comma 0. Now the coordinates of a point on the x-axis are of the form x comma 0. Why x comma 0? Because for all the points which are lying on this x-axis, I only need to move on the x-axis. I am not going to go upwards. I am not going to go downwards. I am only going to reach to this point. Like suppose if I want to read the coordinates of this point, so the coordinates are 1 comma 0, because in order to reach this point I need to take only one unit on my positive x-axis. So the coordinates are 1 comma 0. So for every point which is lying on the x-axis, the coordinates are 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, or in other words they are of the form x comma 0. The coordinates of the point on the y-axis are of the form 0 comma y. How 0 comma y? Suppose I wish to read the coordinates of this point. So if I want to reach to this point from the origin, so what I have to do? I have to climb 3 steps upwards. I am not going on the right. I am not going on the left x-axis. I am only climbing 3 steps upwards on the y-axis. So my x coordinate is 0 and my y coordinates is positive 3. So the coordinates of this point becomes 0 comma 3. Similarly, if I want to come to this point, suppose, and I want to read the coordinates of this point, how many steps I have taken on the y-axis? I have climbed down 2 units. I have neither covered on the right direction of the x-axis nor the negative direction of the x-axis. So I only need to come on the, only need to climb my on the y-axis 2 units downwards. So hence the coordinates of this point are 0 comma minus 2. So we can deduce the following points. In the first quadrant, since both x and y are positive, therefore any point which is lying in this first quadrant is of the form plus plus. Both x and y are positive. In the second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive, so minus comma plus. In the third quadrant, x is negative, y is also negative, so minus comma minus, like here. And in the fourth quadrant, all the x is positive, y is negative, so the point is of the form plus comma minus, plus comma minus. And on the x-axis, any point is of the format x comma 0, and on the y-axis any point is of the form 0 comma y. So I have plotted some points on the x-axis and y-axis. So if I want to read the coordinates of this, now I can very well read the coordinates. So in order to move this, to reach this point, I have covered 6 units. So the points are 6 comma 0. If I want to reach to this point, I have taken negative, I have covered 5 steps on the negative x-axis. So the points are minus 5 comma 0. If I want to come to this point, I have climbed up 4 units. So my coordinates are 0 comma 4. And if I want to reach to this point, my coordinates are 0 comma minus 2, because I have climbed down 2 units. So I think whatever we have learned till now is understood by all. Please go through this content again and again and be ready for the class tomorrow.